Most people think creativity is a spark. They wait for the muse to strike. They wait for the right mood, the right lighting, the right followers. They are tourists in their own minds. But Maya Angelou? She was a contractor. She didn't write from a place of comfort. Every morning at 6 a.m., she left her beautiful home and checked into a tiny, anonymous hotel room. She paid the staff to remove every painting from the walls. She wanted a vacuum. She understood that to build a literary empire, you have to treat your mind like a fortress and your day like a shift at the plant. Today, we deconstruct the factory
The world
of
wants
mind.
you to stay in the lobby.
This is the
where
blueprint
it's loud,
of a woman who
where there's
turned
applause.
isolation into an
But the
industrial
empire
power.
isn't built there.
Angelou's greatest
Stop
innovation
waiting
wasn't
for the
her
right
prose,
time.
it was her
The
environment.
machine won't build itself.
She knew
You
that the
are
world is
architect,
designed to
the
leak your
builder,
energy.
and the product.